So CSMA slash CD, so carrier sense multiple access with collision detection. So CS is carrier sense, CD is collision detection. Now see here, it is used to, what to say, a method used in networking to control how devices access shared communication, avoid data transmission and conflicts collisions, and used in Ethernet networks. So working of it is nothing but it CS carrier sense. So first it what to say sensor listens to the medium first and tries to know whether it is idle or busy. If it is idle, it will transmit the data. If it is busy, it will wait for what to say retransmitting. It is until the retransmitting is initiated. Oh, so sorry, collision detection. Even after sending the data, the station keeps monitoring the medium. If a collision is detected, that is two sessions and data simultaneously, both systems stop transmitting and the process of retransmitting is initiated. In the sense, what even though it was idle and transmits data, it will still keep monitoring the data. So to check if collision will happen or not. Like the example, if I have to give you, like when we order anything from Instamart, we'll keep on seeing the map with the icon of the delivery boy. If not, we'll see this Ola or other auto, this what to say, uh, rides where we keep on seeing the car icon moving in the map just to detect, locate, track where it is. Collision handling is nothing but when it detects the collision is occurred, it will send a jamming signal to the stations to stop the transmission. And, after a period, there is nothing but random backup period. The transition reinitiated retransmission will occur. So this backup time is based on previous attempts. So operation steps. Same thing again, we are repeating here. Channel sensing. First, it senses or listen with its ILV transmission. If it is either, it will send. If it is bit, it will detection. Even after transmitting or during the transmission, it will keep on censoring, monitoring medium to rotate error control. Collision response. If there is a collision, it will detect and it will send a to the station to stop the collision and waits until for a backup period for retransmission. Then time and in frame. So it requires to know. See, to ensure that the sensor data collision, the propagation time is nothing but the time it takes frame takes from transmitting from one end to the other. So to detect that, it should be faster than frame transmission time. So it requires a frame transmission time should be at least the twice the maximum propagation. So to ensure the sender detects a collision, in the worst case, two systems will take time for the signals to travel between them, and the sender must still be transmitting with when the collision happens. So here is the example. The flow chart you can see here. It's kind of rough, but it's CK less than 15. Here things are like what to say scratched out. Try to provide a picture, or it should be there in the what to say textbook. Obviously, I have a textbook, so I will try to provide a picture from the textbook. Maybe in the community channel, I'll try to just share the pictures of this. It will be better if I create a community channel and then this page. So throughput is nothing but higher than lower, but it's still subject to delay sometimes because collision and retransmission. Application Ethernet. Then we'll move on for 4, that is CSMA slash CA, that is collision avoidance. One is detection and this is avoidance.